Hello everyone, welcome to Tania's Kitchen, where I show you simple and helpful recipes. In today's video, I'll be showing you a natural remedy. Yes, you heard that correct, a natural remedy that you can use to build up your immune system or even to help you fight against any virus or bacteria that may invade your body. So what exactly is our immune system? Our immune system is the body's defense against infectious organisms and other invaders. So the immune system will go in and seek the foreign things that don't belong in our body and start to fight against it, right? And as you know, these toxins, these invaders will cause disease to come upon us, right? What causes our immune system to run down? Nutrient deficiencies, that mean we're not eating the proper amount of food that we have, the food that we need with the proper amount of nutrients. Chemical overload, and toxins in the air, things that we put on our skin, all these things affect our body, and it causes our immune system to not function at its highest potential. So when your immune system is functioning properly, it will activate the white blood cells that we need. As you know, the white blood cells is our fighters in our body, right? So the white blood cells will go in and destroy the pathogens, and it will keep us heavy. It will keep us healthy. But if we don't have enough white blood cells to fight, then you know that our body will actually get run down, right? So what we want to do is to keep our body up and running on par, right? So eat the right amount of foods. Find out if we have any food sensitivities. So sometimes we're eating food. Take for instance dairy. People are lactose and they still eat it. These things cause our immune system to be run down, right? So you want to do an elimination diet to figure out, foods that don't work for my body and foods that do work. If you're chronically stressed, that will automatically run down your immune system. So you want to keep your stress level to a minimum. I did a video back a couple of weeks ago. You can go and check it out, how to minimize your stress or how to reduce your stress. So things that we can do now to build our immune system. You want to do the elimination diet as we had spoken about. You want to keep your diet as clean as possible. Stay away from the dairy, the meats. Keep it plant-based and whole grains. You want to eat a lot of vitamin C foods daily. You want to include your fruits, to build up your vitamin C. As you know, your vitamin C helps to fight against any bacteria or anything like that. Take your vitamin D3 supplements. Although we might live in a Caribbean country, you might be vitamin D deficient, right? So either you go out in the sun and build up your vitamin D3 levels, or you actually take a supplement. Where we are, I have to take a supplement. So you want to keep that on par, especially during the fall and winter seasons, because as you know, your vitamin D actually is the one that build up your immune system to fight for you. Eat a lot of zinc-rich foods, especially pumpkin seeds. Chronic deficiency can actually help you to catch every cold and flu that goes around, right? So you want to keep your zinc levels very high. Take a probiotic supplement every single day to boost your health. As you know, our immune system is in our gut. So we want to make sure that our gut bacteria is on par. We want to go to bed early. We want to get the proper amount of rest that our body needs, right? While we're sleeping, our body is healing. If you're not sleeping, your body cannot heal. We want to incorporate our daily exercise. It is very, very important to our vital health. And as we know, walking is the best exercise. Do not smoke. Stay away from smoking. Do not drink alcohol and caffeinated drinks. These things, depresses the immune system. Maintain a healthy weight and take steps to avoid infections, right? Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently. Keep your area or your surroundings clean at all times. All these things will help you to keep your immune system on par. Well, today we're going to do, it's called a flu bomb, and we're just using natural ingredients. Very simple. And we're starting with ginger. As we know, ginger is antiviral and anti-parasitic. We have onions and we have garlic, and you know they're very, very powerful. They're anti-parasitic, antiseptic, antibacterial and antiviral, right? You want to include your onions and your garlics in your food daily. We have turmeric. I don't have the turmeric root, so I use turmeric powder. It's good for inflammation. It fights against inflammation. It's a very good immune booster, and it's anti-parasitic. We have the lemons for your vitamin C. And we have honey, which is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and it's full of antioxidants. And I'm using actually unpasteurized organic honey. So you want to use these ingredients to actually make this. And we have 2 cups of water. So we're going to use a blender. And we're going to start by putting in your lemons, then your onions. And this is about 2 lemons. Then this is about 2 onions. This is 10 cloves of garlic, or you can use a whole bulb. Ginger, about 6 inches. We have about a teaspoon of cayenne. Cayenne is very good for circulation. I didn't mention that before. So we can use that. If you don't want, if you have high blood pressure, you want to stay away from the cayenne. Turmeric, about 6 inches if you have the root. If not, about 3 tablespoons. And we're just going to blend all our ingredients together. Now, honey is optional. If you're diabetic, you don't take honey at all. But honey will kind of give it, it's really very strong. And honey will kind of dilute the taste also. So if you want, you can leave it out. If not, you can add it. So we're just going to add the 2 cups of water. And then we're just going to add our honey. And you can let me know in the comments your natural go-to remedies that you use. You know, there a lot of people have different remedies. So you can let me know the one you use. But this is the one that we use in our family, and it works really, really well. So now we're going to blend until everything is smooth. And then it's very thick. So we're going to store it in a glass container. Keep it in the fridge. What you want to do is let it sit and steep for about 40 minutes before you actually start taking it, right? And what you're going to do, you're going to take about 6 tablespoons every 15 minutes until your symptoms subside. So if you're having, you know, sore throat or headaches, or as you know that, like, whenever you know that a flu is coming on or sickness is coming on, whatever you want to call it, you know that we're living in a pandemic. So especially during this time, you want to build up your immune system at all costs, keep it on par, take care of your health so nothing will come and invade your body and then you can't fight, right? So you want to consume about 6 tablespoons of this every 15 minutes while the symptoms last, and then 3 times a day for about 2 weeks. While you're taking this, make sure you're taking your probiotics also, because it helps to build up back your gut bacteria, you know, to keep your health going. Yeah, that's about it. I'm not sure if we have any, you know, if you have any concerns or any questions for me, just put it in the comments and, you know, I'll get back to you guys. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope this will bring a blessing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And one last thing, it will last about 7 days in the refrigerator. Remember, keep your immune system in top-notch form. Bye.